Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're anything like me, dinner time can sometimes feel like a race against the clock. But what if I told you there's a way to have a delicious, home-cooked meal waiting for you without the stress? Crockpot meals are a lifesaver. In today's video, I'm going to share some of my favorite easy and delicious crockpot dinner ideas that will make your life so much easier. Let's get started. Why crockpots are a game changer. First off, let's talk about why crockpots are amazing. They're like your personal chef that never complains. You can throw in all your ingredients, set the timer, and let the crockpot do all the work. They're perfect for busy families, people who work long hours, or anyone who just wants to simplify their life in the kitchen. Plus, cleanup is a breeze, especially if you use crockpot liners. Easy and delicious crockpot recipes. Now let's dive into the recipes. These are some of my go-to meals that are perfect for weeknights or when you just don't feel like spending hours in the kitchen. 1. Hearty beef stew. Let's go step by step with this one. This recipe is not just a classic comfort food but also incredibly easy to make. Here's how you do it. Start by gathering your ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of beef chunks, 3 large potatoes diced into bite-sized pieces, a couple of carrots and celery stalks sliced, 1 diced onion, about 4 cups of beef broth, and your favorite seasonings. Think garlic powder, thyme, a bay leaf, and a pinch of salt and pepper. First, take a moment to brown the beef chunks in a skillet. This step is optional but highly recommended because it adds so much depth of flavor to the final dish. Just heat a bit of oil in a pan, toss in the beef, and sear each side until golden brown. Trust me, this extra step is worth it. Once your beef is ready, it's time to assemble everything in the crockpot. Start by layering the diced potatoes at the bottom. They take the longest to cook. Follow that with your carrots, celery, and onion. Then, add the beef chunks on top and pour in the beef broth until everything is just covered. Now comes the fun part, seasoning. Sprinkle your garlic powder, thyme, and salt and pepper over the top. Add a bay leaf for that extra touch of aroma. Give everything a gentle stir to combine the flavors. Set your crockpot to low and let it cook for about 8 hours. If you're in a hurry, you can set it to high and have it ready in 4 to 5 hours, but low and slow is the secret to really tender beef and flavorful broth. When you get home, your house will smell amazing. Before serving, give the stew a quick taste and adjust the seasonings if needed. Ladle it into bowls and serve with some crusty bread on the side for dipping. It's the ultimate cozy meal that's perfect for chilly evenings or when you just need a little extra comfort. 2. Chicken taco soup. This is a family favorite. Combine chicken breasts, black beans, corn, diced tomatoes, taco seasoning, and a bit of chicken broth in your crockpot. Cook it on low for 6 hours, then shred the chicken and stir it back in. Serve with some shredded cheese, sour cream, and tortilla chips for a fun and delicious meal. 3. Barbecue pulled pork. This one is perfect for sandwiches or even as a topping for baked potatoes. Place a pork shoulder in your crockpot, add some barbecue sauce, sliced onions, and a splash of apple cider vinegar. Let it cook on low for about 8 hours, then shred it up and serve. It's always a crowd pleaser. 4. Vegetarian lentil curry. For my plant-based friends, this lentil curry is a must-try. Combine lentils, coconut milk, diced tomatoes, curry paste, and vegetables like sweet potatoes or spinach. Cook it on low for 6 to 8 hours, and you'll have a hearty, flavorful curry that's perfect over rice or with naan bread. Crockpot tips for success. To make the most of your crockpot, here are a few tips that will take your meals to the next level. 1. Layer smartly. Place root vegetables like potatoes and carrots at the bottom since they take longer to cook. 1. Proteins go on top. 2. Don't peek. Resist the urge to lift the lid while cooking. 2. Every time you do, you lose heat and increase the cooking time. 3. Prep ahead. If your mornings are hectic, prep your ingredients the night before and store them in the fridge. 3. In the morning, all you have to do is dump them in the crockpot and go. 4. Experiment with spices. Slow cooking enhances flavors, so don't be afraid to experiment with different herbs and spices. 4. How to plan meals with a crockpot. Crockpots are also great for meal prepping. You can double your recipes and freeze half for later. For example, make a big batch of beef stew and save the leftovers for quick lunches or another dinner. Planning ahead means less stress during the week and more time to enjoy your evenings. Conclusion, and there you have it. Easy, delicious crockpot meals that are perfect for busy days. I hope these ideas inspire you to dust off your crockpot and give these recipes a try. What's your favorite crockpot meal? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!